Did you know you could supercharge your plant's growth using simple ingredients already in your kitchen? Stay with me till the end, because the third trick will absolutely blow your mind. And your plants will thank you for it. First up, we have a powerful mix that's like giving your plants a shield and a boost at the same time. Just take 1 spoon of garlic powder and mix it into 1 cup of milk. Garlic is packed with natural antibacterial properties, while milk provides essential calcium. Together, they strengthen the roots, ward off fungal diseases, and promote lush, vibrant growth. Simply spray this mixture around the base of your plants once a week and watch them flourish like never before. Next, let's talk about a golden secret: turmeric. Mix 1 spoon of turmeric powder into 10 liters of water. Turmeric is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. This mixture not only protects your plants from soil-borne diseases, but also boosts their immunity, helping them grow stronger and healthier. Water your plants with this once every 2 weeks, and you'll notice a dramatic improvement in their vitality. And finally, the simplest yet most magical method: sawdust. Yes, plain sawdust. Just sprinkle it directly into the soil. Sawdust improves soil texture, retains moisture, and slowly decomposes to add organic matter back into the earth. It creates the perfect environment for roots to expand and absorb nutrients efficiently. Try these 3 magical fertilizers. Your garden will grow faster, healthier, and more vibrant than ever before. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible gardening secrets.